Hello, my dear student. In previous video, we will start the 4-level laser system, that is a rate equation in 4-level laser system. To be continue on that point, but in that previous video, we have seen the last equation, that is a tau 32 is greater than tau T1. That means that at the time required that atom move from energy level E3 to E2 will be greater as compared to time required that atom move from energy level 2 to 2 to energy level 1, but that in the stimulated transition will be in between the energy level E3 and E2. To be continue of that point, that is a 4-level laser system. In that below the threshold the stimulated transition rate below the threshold value means that value the laser oscillation will happen, and that below the threshold the stimulated transition rate, and that stimulated transition in between the energy level E3 and E2, the stimulated transition rate is that W32 is equal to 0. W32 is equal to 0. That means transition from atom move from energy level E3 to is equal to 0, and then equation 7 becomes, and equation 7 are that N3 minus N2 is equal to R2 in bracket that value, and that is the W, put W32 will be 0, and then equation 7 becomes N3 minus N2 is equal to R2 in bracket 1 minus A32 divided by A21 whole divided by A32, because W, that transition will be 0, W32 will be 0. Okay, that is equation N3 minus N2 is equal to R2 1 minus A32 divided by A21 whole divided by A32. This the condition. Next, the condition continues up to the threshold level, threshold level, that means that point laser oscillation will happen, threshold level. Therefore the threshold value is given by therefore that nth, that means threshold value, that is the N3 minus N2, that is the threshold, is equal to that R2 is written by RTI, that is the threshold value 1 minus A32 divided by A21 whole divided by A32. This is the equation number 8. Okay, then since that A32 is less than A21, A32 is less than that time tau 32 will be greater of that tau 21, but that time will be greater, but that transition A32 is less than A21, that means atom move from energy level E3 to E2 and is less than the transition from atoms move from energy level 2 to energy level 1. That's why that 1 minus A32 divided by A21 is nearly equal to 1. Why? Because A32 is less than A21. Then equation 8 becomes that nth, that means equation 8 becomes that nth is equal to N3 minus N2 is equal to 1, and that RTH, that 1 minus A32 divided by A21 whole divided by A3, and that term 1 minus A32 divided by 2 nearly equal to 1, and that means RTH divided by, this is 1 divided by, and that is RTH A32. Then equation 8 becomes nth is equal to n3 minus n2 is equal to RTH divided by A32. And therefore we simply write, or nth is equal to RTH divided by A32. Nth is equal to RTH divided by A32, and therefore we calculate the RTH, that is the threshold rate, is equal to NTH multiplied by A32. NTH multiplied by A32, and with the help of this equation we write the value of that R or RTH, is equal to NTH into A32, but A32 in previous video we have seen that A32 is equal to 1 divided by tau 32, and that RTH is equal to NTH. We put the A32 is equal to 1 divided by tau 32, and therefore NTH divided by tau 32. That is the equation number 9. That RTH is equal to NTH divided by tau 32. Why? Because in that equation A32 is equal to 1 divided by tau 32, and that's why that RTH, that is threshold rate, is equal to NTH divided by tau 32, and in that write as A32 is equal to 1 divided by tau 32, as A32 is equal to 1 divided by tau 32. That using equation 9, using equation 9 in equation that is a NTH. In previous lectures we have seen that equation, that NTH is equal to 8 pi mu naught square tau SP, spontaneous time, gamma threshold, delta nu divided by nu square, but that tau SP is equal to tau 32. And therefore that equation nth is equal to that equation 8 pi nu naught square tau 32 gamma delta nu divided by nu square, and that is the equation number 10. We use that equation nth, 8 pi nu square tau SP gamma delta nu divided by nu square, but tau SP is equal to tau 32, that is the transition of stimulated emission, and that is the spontaneous emission, and that 3 to 2. Okay, that nth is equal to, that is equation number 9, 8 pi mu naught square tau 32 gamma delta nu divided by nu square. Okay, in that equation this stage at which the gain of that population inversion, gain of population inversion is large enough to that balance the cavity loss in system, that is the loss of cavity. But in that system the gain of population inversion, the stage at which the gain of the population inversion is large, that is the gain of population inversion, gain of that mu naught, at the stage of that mu naught the gain of population inversion is large. Then under steady state condition, what is meant by steady state condition? There is no change in that system. Okay, the gain of population is large. Then next, under steady state condition, what is meant by steady state condition? Under steady state condition, that means there is no change. Under steady state condition, that N3 minus N2, that rate at that atom move from 3 to energy level 3 to 2, that under steady state condition there is a no change, that N3 minus N2 remains there is in steady state, that means there is a no strain, and that N3 minus N2 remains equal to the nth, remains equal to nth. Nth means that is the threshold population, that nth, even if the rate of pumping is greater, that pumping rate will be greater, pumping rate is greater than the pumping threshold. Okay, we write that under steady state condition that N3 minus N2 remains then equal, which remains N3 minus N2 remains then equal to the nth, even that pumping, the rate of pumping is greater than the pumping threshold, and that each items raise to increase each item raise into the energy level E3, absorb an amount, that each item raise the level E3 absorb an amount of energy level E4, so that the total pumping power that clearly, that see this point, the each item raise to the energy level, which item? To the energy level E3, that means all items of energy level E3 that absorb an amount of energy, कोणत्या लेवलची? E4 लेवलची. याच्यावरले जे आयटम्स आहे, E3 वरले जे आयटम्स आहे ते काय करणार? ॲब्सॉर्ब करणार एनर्जी, कोणत्या लेवलची? E4 लेवलची. And so that total pumping power, the total pumping power per unit volume, the total pumping power per unit volume required at threshold is, that is the PTH, total pumping power per unit volume is required. PTH is equal to nth divided by tau 32 E4. And equation number, this is the equation number 10, this is the equation number 11. Okay, this is the 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. P is equal to nth divided by tau 32 E4. That means that each items of that energy level E3 that absorb the energy of E4, and E4, then the total pumping power means that items, that pumping power, that means pumping is that incident energy of that item, and it is raised up to the energy level E4. But in that case, that each item of that energy level E3 will absorb the energy of that E4, and then that total pumping power per unit volume required at threshold. Threshold is that oscillation will happen, and that in that case that total pumping power, that is the threshold pumping, is equal to nth divided by threshold population divided by tau 32 E4, equation number 11. And using which equation? Using that equation 10. Using equation 10, the above equation becomes okay, and that above equation is PTH, the threshold power, is equal to NTH, and the using equation 10, the value of NTH, and that NTH is equal to 8 pi mu naught square tau 32 gamma delta nu divided by mu square, that is the NTH, and whole divided by is that tau 32, and that will be the 2 through. This will be the that divided by nu square. It will be the transform of that denominator, and that E4 is as it is. E4 is as it is. Then cancel out 2 through this cancel, and that PTH is equal to 8 phi mu naught square gamma delta nu divided by nu square E4. That PTH is equal to 8 pi mu naught square gamma delta nu divided by nu square E4, and this is the that total pumping, that is the total pumping power, that is the threshold pumping power, that is 8 pi nu naught square gamma. TH is the threshold, delta nu divided by nu square E4. This is the equation number, right? Equation number 12. This is the required equation for the threshold pumping power, that is a PTH. And then we complete the rate equation in 4-level laser system. And next video we have discussed the comparison, the comparison of 3-level and 4-level laser. Next video we have seen that point.